Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Nation pays tribute to architect of India's constitution, BR Ambedkar, on his 67th death anniversary. United Democratic Party declares its first list of candidates for 2023 assembly polls. Leaders exude confidence of securing more seats. Suspended Congress MLA Amprin Lingdo breaks silence to join another political party after 10th December. Do not politicize Mukra incident, says Amprin. Report to be studied once the inquiry report is made official. And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, former Congress Chief Sonia Gandhi and other leaders pay tribute to BR Ambedkar, the architect of India's constitution, on his death anniversary. Prime Minister recalled his exemplary service to the nation. In his message, he said his struggles gave hope to millions and his efforts to give India such an extensive constitution can never be forgotten. The United Democratic Party on Tuesday declared its first list of candidates for the 2023 assembly polls. The first list consists of 32 candidates. Some of the prominent names are sitting MLA include Cabinet Minister Kerman Shila Kleriat, Lakmen Rumboy Amlarem, Brolding Nongset Mauthat Raishan, President of UDP and Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Medba Lingdo Mairang, Chief Executive Member of KHADC Titos Khan Sora, sitting MLA Balajit Sindram Shela, sitting MLA Pius Marwen Ranikor and Nujorki Sungo Mukayao. The other prominent names are Dr. Amanwar North Shillong, HDR Lingdo Soyong, Remington Pingro Maukanro, Anthony Kongwang, Pin Ursula Moonlight Pariat Jowai, and the others who made it to the list are Dawan Lingdo Nartiang, Baya Hunlang Makdo Mauhati, Bathok Nongmali Jirang Sunshine Makri Umsning, Dr. Osa Pijirwa Maurinkening, Mitchell Wankwar Milim, Olan Sun, Mausinram, Bolestar Nongset Nongstoin, Paul Lingdo West Shillong, Jamino Mautho Nongthamai, from Garo Hills, LCH Momin, Karkuta, Subroto G Marak, Menti Pathar Tapash D Marak, Resi Belpara, Rakma CH Marak, Bajing Doba, Andres G Momin, Rongjeng, Ronald R Sangma, Salman Para, Kennethson R Sangma Dalu, and Edi Shira Rajabala. Breaking her silence over the joining issue, suspended Congress legislator party leader Amprin Lingdo said she will be joining another political party after 10 December. Lingdo said that she is already winding up her consultation with the people of her constituency. Dr. Lingdo said that she would like to help the party that she is going to join soon, and there is one intention in mind: give Meghalaya a strong government in 2023.
I'm already winding up my consultation with every citizen in my constituency. I've left no one out of that. And I'm likely to complete this exercise by the 10th of December. And please expect me to go to some political party. We do not underestimate anyone, nor do we overestimate ourselves. But I would like to see that I go to a party with one intention in mind: give Meghalaya a strong government in 2023.
Suspended Congress leader Amprin Lingdo said politicians of the state should not indulge in politicizing the Mukra incident. Reacting to the ongoing political blame games, Lingdo said the formal report into the incident is awaiting and the matter will be studied once the inquiry report has been made official. According to her, the failure of any part of governance should be together and jointly shared by all political parties involved in governing the state.
Politicians of the state of Meghalaya should not indulge in politicizing unfortunate events that have occurred in the state of Meghalaya. It is incorrect. As leaders of the state, we must be responsible. We have to wait for the formal report that has already been called for. Any issue that arises in the state of Meghalaya because of a failure of any part of governance should be together and jointly shared by all political parties involved in the governance in the state of Meghalaya.
Meghalaya Health Minister James P.K. Sangma inaugurated the Asia's first drone delivery hub built at Jengjal Subdivisional Hospital in West Garo Hills. The effort intends to improve the universal access to healthcare in the state by delivering vital supplies like drugs, diagnostic samples, vaccines, blood and blood components quickly and safely to different regions of the state using a dedicated drone delivery network. On the same day, the first official drone flight took off from Jengjal Subdivision Hospital and delivered medicines to Padeldoba PHC in less than 30 minutes, which would have otherwise taken 2.5 hours by road. The Health Minister said it is a matter of pride for the state of Meghalaya that it would be the first state in institutionalizing this initiative.
We have started a drone service. This is the first of its kind in the entire Northeast, probably entire region as well, where we are going to be using drones as a logistical support to make sure that we can, because of the geographical difficulties that we have in our state, we will also be using drones to reach out to many far-flung areas to deliver medicines, to deliver vaccines, to also collect blood samples, to probably also deliver blood wherever it is urgently required. And this is first of its kind, and we are very proud of the fact that Meghalaya is the first state in the Northeast to be doing that.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the Jengjal Civil Subdivision at Baljek, about 32 kilometers from Tura in West Garo Hills. The Chief Minister said the day will be remembered by people for years, and the creation of the new subdivision will enable the government to initiate many other interventions that will cater to the needs of the people. He further said the creation of the subdivision will ensure the people of the region have efficient and faster delivery of governance services. The Chief Minister also laid the foundation for Integrated Health Complex, a prestigious project at Jengjal, which is being built at a cost of ₹32 crore. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 21.9 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 9.7 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 52% and in the evening 85%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Nation pays tribute to architect of India's constitution BR Ambedkar on his 67th death anniversary. United Democratic Party declares first list of candidates for 2023 Assembly polls. Leaders exude confidence of securing more seats. Suspended Congress MLA Ampreen Lingdor breaks silence to join another political party after 10th December. And do not politicize Mukro incident, says Ampreen. Report to be studied once the inquiry report is made official. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.